Hello, Twitch and YouTube. Let me just test that you're up and running. Yeah, looks like we're live on YouTube. Let me check Twitch as well. Testing. Yeah. Looks like we're there as well. And yep, we're gonna continue doing stuff with bots. With Twitch chatbots. So last time, what was it? I think it was, oh yeah, uncombine. Right, I need a word list. And so that was in here. And that was Unix worded. Yep. And so I say, stop being dumb. Yep. Okay. And it commands me to stop being dumb. So we're going to keep going with this, and first I have an idea on presentation. Let me make a new window real quick. And so what I want to do that's better for presentation is so this is split sentence, and this is, I'll say combined sentence, which is kind of funny in a program called uncombine. Also, I want to jump to this music right now. Okay, there we go. Okay. Words. String. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is sentence. I remember there was a string builder in Golang, so I want to look it up. Golang string builder. Oh. Okay. I want to show you. Yeah, I want to show you my Chrome window, so I'll do that. And I think I want to make the Chrome window a little bit bigger. Yeah. And then zoom in a little bit. Beautiful. Oh, is it strings dot builder? Okay. Builder. Yep, it's a strings dot builder. How do I just make it? Oh, that's right. If I just declare the builder, it'll take care of itself. So I say var sentence strings dot builder. Bring back git bash. And then for not yeah, just give me the word in range words. And so I want to say if what is it? If word so if len word equivalent to 0 or doesn't equal to 0 and word 0, I want to know if it's an alphanumeric. Alphanumeric? Yeah, sure. We'll do alphanumeric. So if it's an alphanumeric character, Golang check if char is alpha numeric. Do you just literally do it manually? I'm not entirely opposed to that, but it's just a bit weird. Is alpha... Oh, you can just see if the string is alphanumeric in general. Okay, fantastic. What happens if... So you do that, and you return value... Oh, interesting. So when you do this range... I did not know this. When you do this range, it's just a one-character string. I thought it was actually just like a rune or something like that. That's what I would have thought. Or value. Oh, it always just returns value. It returns itself. What? Why is this useful to just return yourself? Wait, is this... Oh, is this someone else's program? Okay. So it... There's Unicode. Okay, I guess you can do Unicode. Yeah, that works. I could also just stick with ASCII and just not care. I don't know what the... Nah. Just so I can do more complicated things, I could say rune... Oh wait, rune's a type, so I can't do that. Probably better to say C for character, yeah. If... Should I just say letter? I don't know. The thing is, this is kind of, yeah, let's just do... Okay. Unicode, let's say is letter, yeah. So what if I wanted to do just the, I think if I wanted to do just the ASCII range, I could do something like this. I would have to convert it to like a lowercase letter maybe as well. But yeah, just in general. That's how you sort of do something like that. I don't think I care about doing that. I think I'd rather just say Unicode is letter. I don't even know if I actually deal with non-ASCII strings very gracefully. That's the thing. We'll see. I mean, I think these just kind of consider bytes. Yeah, this is just the bytes as far as this is concerned, so I'm not really particularly worried about that. And so then I can say sentence, is it append? Oh, well, first of all, I had Chrome open, so that's not helpful. Oh. Oh, right, okay. So here it is. Yeah, so basically what I was doing, what I was saying I could do before is like C less than or equal to 0, and C greater than or equal to 9. And then I pretty much just keep cascading those. Well, wait, no, other way around. This one and this one. But yeah, I'd rather just deal with Unicode characters right here. And then I'm gonna look. Okay, so I can just say yeah. Right rune. I could probably say right byte as well. Yeah. Yeah, let's just say right byte. It conveys the same meaning, essentially. I think. I don't know if I think untyped runes can be converted to bytes. I forgot. But in other words, we can do sentence.write string. And we have our word here. So basically what I'm doing here is, if it's punctuation, then I don't want to write this space here. I want to just kind of merge it to the left. And I think that's going to improve sentence string. So what I'm hoping that'll do is improve the presentation a little for just sentences I write in general. So now if I do this, oops. Oh no, I can actually convert C as a variable type byte. Oh, I can call it a rune. Wait, no, I can't call it a rune. Well, that's awkward. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Let's pull up Chrome again. How did this do it? Is alphanumeric. Because it was able to convert this into... Oh, that's if I did the range thing, which I'm not doing. In which case, I'll be content to convert this to a rune. It's not very precise, but it's good enough for me. And what I mean by converting this to a rune is if I go back here, this, I convert C to a rune. Alright, go run uncombine. Okay, let me just, yeah, let me make a nice shell script so I can just kind of do that and make the iteration a bit faster. Go run command line / uncombine.go. I also usually do it as an i.sh because I have settings in my global get ignore that says to ignore that specific extension. So I'll do that. And then tilde uncombine Unix sorted.txt. So now if I run this, okay. Me so stop, comma, being, comma, dumb. No. Oh, because I didn't actually use the function. My bad. Lol. Let's say combine sentence. Uh-oh. That's awkward. We're doing this live. I think maybe I had to log in first, so I'll do that for just a moment. Rip though. Rip. Okay, we're back. So what is it? Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, recover that. And then I should be able to... What is it? How do I remove it? You just... Yeah, okay, I think it's just... There we go. Just check that did do the thing. Yep. Expected package found package. Okay, great. So stop being dumb. Yep, that did exactly what I wanted it to. So now if I have apostrophes there, me so happy Valentine. I think this should also work too. Yep. Wait, no, because Valentine's is an actual thing. Okay. Me so happy loves? Because I don't think this will be a thing. How is that a thing? What? Me so... forget. Okay. I think I was expecting the G to also be sort of elided there, but... I mean, I could do that, maybe. I don't think that's necessary. Yeah, nah. I think at the very least I could do punctuation like that just as maybe heuristics or something. It's not too big of a deal. Okay. So after we combine the sentence. Okay, so so after we improved that presentation, we had a problem last time where let me see if I can do this again. I think this is probably a good one to showcase it. Yes, where sometimes you would have these weird spellings. Bots say PP. Yeah, you would have these weird spellings, and because this matches more, you sort of have this weird breaking up. Whereas I actually intended I'm a happy man. So what I think I want to do there is I want to implement some sort of look ahead. Even if it's just like one word. And what I mean by look ahead is I should be doing this and say, okay, let me look ahead. If I look ahead, does it like create an actual word? Yes. Then this is probably what it's supposed to be. However, if I do like aha and... Well, then again. Because PP also like matched. So that might not work as well as I'm hoping it will. Okay, but maybe if I do a look ahead and I try and get common words, then it'll match better. But wait, does PP act? Okay, I have to see it now. Yeah, and like not that, but a new window. I just have to know if PP is actually in the Unix dictionary. It's very important that I know. It is in the Unix dictionary. PP is in the Unix dictionary. That's what I'm talking about. That's great. Okay, so perhaps, yes, so what I wanted to do was a look ahead, and if it made an actual word, I guess what I could also do is if I'm looking ahead and the word that I make is longer, like the combination of the two words, then that's probably the more likely one that I actually want. Because if it's like odd words, I'm probably going to get something choppy like this. Whereas if I tried to look for a happy in the first place, that would be like a longer sort of word. Or a longer pair of words. I want to use a different word list, which is why I'm not using the test script real quick. I want to try Google sorted again. I'm a happy man. I apostrophe ma happy? Apostrophe? Really? Okay. And yet I'm is not in there. Really? BI Google sorted. Wait. Oh, wait. No, I remember now. So apostrophe doesn't match, and so it puts it by itself. Yeah. Actually, I think with apostrophes I can sort of cheat a little bit. I'm gonna go back to sort of improving the presentation a little. Var prev apostrophe. Yep. And then prev apostrophe equals C is equivalent to that. Uh-oh. Prev apostrophe. Oh, derp, because that actually is not valid. It like sort of works, and more importantly, with this apostrophe, it actually like combines them so that even if the apostrophe is in pounds, that still combines the previous words. Well, then again, never mind. I don't think I like that very much. Because why? Yeah, so if I have like guys' problems are fine. Yeah, it like combines these, so I don't like that actually. Yeah, I think we'll just take the L if we don't find something like that. So what is it? Prev apostrophe. I don't want that anymore. Why do you hate me? Yep, and you have the question mark at the correct place. Put me out of my misery. No, not like that. Wait, is misery not in the dictionary? Really? Okay. By the way, I might want to do like a custom word list. Even if it's not just misery, there's a fair bit. What did I do before? Oh, I still did Google sorted, so that, yeah, okay. So now if I do the same thing here, yes. So the Unix dictionary actually does have that, which is what I expected. But now I want a different dictionary. Or not a different dictionary, but I'm going to combine it with the Unix dictionary. And so I want to add more streamer words like get, good, skivity, riz, toilet. Toilet's probably already in there. We can still put it in anyways. Because if I look at the sort words, I do unique anyway, so it's gonna be fine. Do I already have lol in there? I think I have lol in there already. Miso, lol, get good. Oh, the bot's not even running. Bot's not even running. Lol, get good. Yeah, lol's not in there. Yeah, so I could do things like lol, LMAO. Oh, and also Twitch emotes like Sag, Big Sad, blah, blah, blah. I might want to make a script to like pull some of those emote names. And then put them in my, my file. What other... Oh, brain rot, of course. Brain rot. But yeah, we'll update this list as it goes on. But okay. So now back to experimenting. Are you happy at... Oh, that one was actually pretty good. It's nice. It actually, even just the Unix dictionary can do like... Oh, no, not like that. And yeah, even like I think I do want to look ahead, like I said before. It's just, it's weird. I'm not sure how to do the look ahead. I think it's definitely a good plan to do the look ahead. Oh yeah, speaking of the look ahead, so I realized that LLMs, their job is basically to predict the next word in the sentence, so if an LLM wasn't like more as complicated as it is, it might actually be, you know, it would be like a good use case. I mean, it still is a good use case, it's just I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that in any reasonable amount of time. And then just like, yeah, I have a rating of like all the words that should appear next, and then I can sort of assign a priority to them. In which case I would search for a prefix that most matches what the LLM outputs. So, yes, in other words, an LLM would actually be like a good fit here. It's just, I don't know of an LLM that does that. That just like gives me a rating of the words as it is. Like usually, you know, the LLMs are like ChatGPT and stuff like that, where it's kind of already done for you and you can't really plug your stuff in. Maybe that's something I could look up. I don't know. Actually, sure. Just because I'm curious, let's look it up. LLM models? Large language... Oh, wait, that's an oxymoron. Did I say oxymoron? Or it's redundant, because LLM's already models. Oh, maybe LLM training files. Okay. So why are datasets in part right? So large language models rely on training datasets. Yep. And so you need high quality datasets, indeed. Oh, Common Crawl. Yeah, Common Crawl is definitely a good one. Or wait, no, because this is like unprocessed. I'm like thinking... I'm like literally thinking of like the parameter. Oh, LLM parameter files. Sure. So LLM parameters essentially define the behavior of an AI model. Yeah. Right, so you have a lot of these parameters. I think what might also be tough is I think LLMs like require a lot of parameters, and so what that probably would do is require me to like use the GPU, which is its own mess. Sure, the Cloud Girl. Thank you. Please, no, thank you. Simba's sitting well. Aw, Simba's cute. She's cute too. Anyways, imagine training your dog to sit. Okay, yeah. More parameters, more power, but trade-offs too. More complex models. More computational resources. Yep, that makes sense. Okay, so that gave me a high-level overview. I think... Do you just, like, not have... I mean, I guess maybe an open source LLM? I should have just looked that up. Yeah. How would I actually use some of these, though? I don't know. Ooh, and some of them have a limited context. Okay. Which I don't think I care about too much. Like, I think the lowest one was like 512. Yeah, like T5 had 512. And these are billions of parameters. That's crazy. Okay. Nice. The NLP community, the AI community, the whole world by storm. Here's a curious list of large language models. Wait, what is LLM inference? Oh boy. So LLM inference is something. From input prompts to wait, okay. Process by which large language modules generate human-like responses to user input. Okay. So it receives an input prompt, uses its knowledge from training to predict most likely tokens. He goes to tokens into something. I also don't know if LLMs are appropriate for what I'm doing because, yeah, like LLMs just take time. They just do. And I don't want this to take a lot of time. Like, I'm not trying to... Like, a LLM like ChatGPT can just kind of like generate one word at a time and show it to you, but because I'm in like this IRC chat, I can't really do that well. I want to just generate it very fast, very quickly. Okay. Or maybe that's because they have a lot of parameters that they sort of are sluggish like that. I don't really know. I'd have to look at it more, perhaps later. So now, in light of this, how do I use heuristics to sort of solve this problem I'm facing, which is these really weird artifacts where it's technically being too eager. I guess maybe I could try to generate the longest sentence possible. I mean, wait, is it the longest sentence or shortest? The sentence with the fewest words might work. I don't know. Because, like, with this, like, love is a zero-sum game is 6 words here, and love is a zero-sum game. 6 words also. So that's not particularly great either. I mean, maybe that's part of it, but I think I could piggyback off Google. Yeah, I think part of it is like piggybacking off of Google's 10,000 top words to sort of assign a rating to each of them. And so I go for ones that have a higher rating. I think even then it's sort of... I think especially in combination with the look ahead, it might work for like most sentences. We'll see. But yeah, I already had this priority.py from last time. And what is it? Yep, wordless. So I have Unix and I have Google. Yep, so I have the... Yep, and that's there. I have A. Which A is not that common, apparently. No, wait, or is it A that's really common? Oh, wait, no, I don't want to use Google sorted. I'm dumb. Okay, there I go. Yes. Because I wanted them actually sorted by frequency. So I remember the was like the most common one. Yeah, okay. Unix sorted rated.txt. Okay, great. So, what we can then do is we can make this a map instead of just a plain word list. So if I go back to here, I'm going to change the test, and I'm going to use sorted rated, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to command line. I'm going to use uncombine. So I have split sentence still. So we'll say this is words, this is priorities. So we'll do that. And so I'll say fields is scanner text. And then I think there is a method in strings to split by text. Yeah, it's like split. And split does by a string. Yeah, so there's a string and there's a separator. Strings.split, scanner text, I want to split by spaces. If fields, or if len fields, is less than 2, then I'm going to break. Or I'm going to continue. Yeah, I'd rather continue. Then I'm going to continue. And so not scanner text here, but now field 0. I also want to parse the int. I don't know how to do that, actually. Golang parse int. Looking that up offline and strcomp. Okay, strcomp toy. Strcomp. Okay. And then priority. Strcomp dot atoy. And this is fields 1. If it's not that, then I think what I'm gonna do is just say priority is 0. I should probably also do a log statement here, maybe? I think there's a log error, right? Golang log. Looking this up offline again. I think it's error F or something? No, I think you can just print it. Oh, so it's panic print. Yeah, okay. Panic print and fatal. Yeah, then I'll just log it. Log.print F. Priority this fail to parse. Oh no. And so this is priority error. Or not priority, but fields 1. Fields 1. Var priorities int priorities equals append priority priority, yep, priorities. Okay. Okay. Priorities. Get rid of that. And so I'm gonna do an underscore there. Yep, already did that. Wait, where? 23. Did I not just do that? Oh, this is true. I didn't. Priorities. There we go. So that's a placeholder, and then And I don't necessarily want to do a map here or anything like that, because maps don't necessarily have a certain order to them. So I just want to stick with the race here. I get providing the priorities isn't strictly necessary is the thing. I think maybe what would be better is just to have integer indices. Yeah, probably. Okay. Fair enough. Let's do this then. Int. That would be better, yes. And so now... low, high. I'll do a colon here. We'll say this is prefixes. Yeah, sure. Prefixes. Prefixes. Low, comma, high. Not comma, colon. Prefixes equals prefixes. And not squeeze, but now prefixes. Prefix priorities. Chonky line. Yeah, this is a bit of a chonky line, isn't it? That's, The reason it's kind of screwing with me is because Go syntactically I think is a bit weird, and so it's like the new line parsing, it's weird. So I don't know whether I put a new line if I'm gonna just get problems. I mean, it's a syntax error, so it's not a big deal, but I don't know. Word prios? Yeah. Word prios int word prios do 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 prefix prios word prios. Maybe if I kind of combine these. Yeah, okay. I'll take it. I should also run Go format on this sometime. I haven't really done that a whole lot. I should also like set up my what is it? My Vim like auto write settings to actually run Go format for me when I save this file. That would be good. Low, high, prefixes, so not prefixes, prefix prios equals prefix prios, low, high. I think I'd rather say equivalent to 0 here. Yeah, if it's empty, I don't want to bother anymore. So I think this isn't exactly perfect, but and prefix prio. Oh no, I want the index here. Yep, give me the index. I also keep doing in. It's a syntax I'm really used to in other languages. Does Rust do in? I forgot. But Python definitely does. Wait, does Python do in as well? Yes, it does. I think there are other languages, but I keep doing that, and it's colon equals, not in. If prio is greater than prefix prio, then prefix equals lol. So first I want to drag this in here. Prefix shadowing. It's a really interesting thing. We'll say temp. Or test was a good one. Yeah, I like test. Prefix I. So not when it has a prefix, but when it's not a prefix, I want to just continue here. Prefix. Did I say lol here? Okay. Then prefix equals. Oh, what is it? So if prio is equivalent to prefix prio and len test is greater than my current prefix, then I do want to I'll keep sort of smishing these, yeah. Man, it's kind of hard to read. Never mind. Yeah, I'll take it. But yeah, so if the priority is... If the priorities are equivalent but the test string is longer, then I want to use it. Otherwise, if the priority of... I said prefix sub I. I want prefixes sub I. Otherwise, if the priority is greater than the current prefix priority, then I want to use this. Not enough return values. Have this. What? Wait, come again? 77. Oh, that's true. In which case 0, 0 works. Yep. Now where is this? 90. Oh, this is true. Yes. Low, high. Happy individual. Uh-oh. So what is this? What do I do? Slice bounds out of range. 17, 16. What line? 111. 111. 111. Ah, man. Shadowing. So I is good here. What I want is K here, though. And then... No, that's it. What? How did that match even though the priority of A is larger? Oh shoot. Prefix prio equals prio. A happy individual. What? Okay, I feel like I just... Did I reverse this? I might have reversed this, actually. Because I want the longer string, right? What? Oh, what? What are you even doing, Google? How is H common? There's no shot, dude! What do you mean H is common? It's not a common word! That's one of the least I didn't even know that was a word! What? I'm about to freaking remove basically all the... Why is Gzip in here? Why? Look, I love me some Gzip. It's not a common word. What the hell is Google doing? C? E? S? I'm so done. I can't. I'm checked out. I'm about to remove basically all the one-letter words at this point. Who made this list? CD. Are you serious? No. To be fair, I'm surprised Robbie didn't put his own name higher on the list. Well, wait, no, it's not Rob. Okay. I was thinking of Rob Pike, but that's Rob Pike. Although maybe they call him Robbie. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what the hell they do in Google? It's magic. They do magic. What do you... Okay, so, I might actually do... Yeah, I think I'll do that. And so we'll destroy all those words. Okay. So now I'm just going to choose like a couple of them. I'm going to choose A, I'm going to choose I. Are there other one-letter words? I don't think so. Yeah, it's usually just A and I. Okay. And we'll say both of those are common. Well, maybe I is less common. I don't know. I don't think it mattered. Yeah, it doesn't matter too much. Well, no. Okay. So I think I'll put I as less common. So now if I did priority, I'm not going to use Google 10,000 English. I'm going to use common. Okay. So let's try that again. Happy individual. It's a little bit better. The thing is, individual's kind of cut up there. Ugh. Yeah, I'm just kind of spitballing here. This is a bit weird. Oh, it's not prioritized anymore. Okay. I think I have a panic because I don't check if the word list is empty or not. Yeah, I don't check if the word list is empty, so... Yeah, let's just make it clean. Let's just say... if len word list is equivalent to 0, or len word priorities is equivalent to 0... Or even better, let's just make it an error. Let's change the error in that case. Oh, even better than that. Let's not even check there. Let's check up above. Let's say we're not allowed to have an empty word list. Errors dot error scanner dot error. If error is equivalent to nil and this error read an empty word list. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so not word list, but words, and then word prios. Or priorities, yes. $45. So what happened here? Declared and not you. Wait, is it? Oh, it is declared here. Okay, yep. And then okay, got it. Yep, you read in an empty word list. So now we don't panic there. I think what I can do here is if so if it's greater than 2, then I can do this. But then if it's less than 1, or in other words, we can say if it's equivalent to 0, oh shoot, good. Shadowing, Pog. Yep, so now we have the same problem that we did before. So I still have the priorities if I want them. Just now I have a different sort of thing. Do I want to still do the look? Yeah, I still want to do something with look-aheads, I'm sure. It at least makes it a little bit more accurate. Let me actually commit this. Let me go format this. Yep, okay. Improve and format uncombined chatbot. Oh wait, nah. And I think I just had it, yeah, I just had small changes in spyware server, so I don't care about that right now. Okay. So I can combine them. I'm wondering, I think I could still use the priorities somewhat, and I think in order to do the look ahead I have to have some sort of mapping from like the prefixes that I have to the current priority that it has. We'll have something called find prefixes. And so this is words, string, word prios, and sentence, string, And then what I get in return is a map from string to int. So I'm going to copy and paste this nice little section here. And so I have words, word, prios, and then sentence. Sentence lower, I colon. So we'll say 1, yep. I'll say this is a section. Prefixes. I think it's make. Yeah, it's make map. String int. Oh, I already have something called prefixes. We'll say prefixes map. Oh, hard. If that's not it, then I want to continue. This is true. Yep. Worship me, worship me. Okay. Then that would be for word, prio, range, prefixes. If I wanted to do the same thing, then I say if prefix prio is greater than prefix. Prefix prio is equivalent to prio, and len prefix. I mean, right now we don't have priority, so it's fine. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Let's return word file. Not return, but prefix equals word, and then prefix prio equals prio. Oh, and then prefix prio, I want -1. Yep, there we go. Because I always want to have at least one prefix. Well, then again, if it was 0, that'd also be fine. Because everything's longer than the empty string. Yep. Undefined test. What did I have for here? Oh, yes. So test, or not test, but like prefix. Now it's just plain prefix. Or I guess it's still, we're still testing it, so it's fine to also do this. Did I say K? Oh, prefix is K. Test. Happy individual. Yep. Whoa, what? That's crazy. Oh, rip. Yeah, that's not what I want. Is it what I want? Might be what I want. What I really, really want. Yeah, I think that is what I want. Oh, wait, other way around. So prio is greater than a prefix. Prio. Yep, that should be good. So why did the other way around screw up? Because I think a lot of them should have been equivalent. Oh, wait, they're never equivalent because I assigned it as -1. Fair enough. So then with that, I am able to actually map my brain to somewhere where it doesn't suck. Okay. Yeah, so I'm actually able to map prefixes to priorities. I think that's a good one to also... So go format, uncombine, map prefixes to priorities in uncombine. Okay, now the question is how to use that. How would I use that? Right, because I wanted to make a look ahead. A good way I might be able to make that look ahead is if instead of doing this thing right here, so I don't even look at the priority. I guess I do sort of look at the priorities, but then I like go through the words here and I like skip over that word and try to do the parsing again and then see if I actually get any prefixes. If I do, it's probably a better one. If I don't, it's probably not a better one. Oh, you know what? So we had... Yes. So we had some data sets for LLMs, but what I can do is I can also use those data sets, but then I sort of split that data set into words, and using those words, I see how frequently each appear, and then I can assign priorities there. And so then I have a way of actually deriving what the most common words are, without necessarily having to rely on Google. I don't know. Because, like, people have a lot of random words as well. I'm not sure that that's perfect either. Well, then, if they have random words, then it's not going to be as common, so I'm not going to have as many hits. So that might be a way of getting, like, better priorities overall. So I sort of had this. This is a good point. Individual is its own word, but then in is a much more common word than individual, as you can sort of see in the Twitch chat. That might just be a really hard problem in general to just reverse that sort of combination to what I want to make it. Not that this also can't be sort of reversed. So I could do something like this. Oh, whoa. Oh, right, because I'm not running it. Like, yeah, I can do that, it's not as fun. It's just not as fun. Stop in the name of the law. No, come on. So I can do here. Okay. Oh, it's actually kind of the same thing. Yeah, it's really interesting what I'll get instead. Oh, what if I did instead? Right. I still have the priorities, so I can still do. So I don't want Google sorted, I'd rather have Unix sorted reading. It's like a little bit better. No. So bad. Okay. Oh god. Oh, that one actually worked decently. Okay. How long have I been streaming? I think it's been like a couple hours at this point. Almost a couple hours? No, 1:30. Okay. Do I want to go until it's a couple of hours? That might be a bit brutal. Because it is getting kind of late. Maybe what I want to do is research a little bit. Why does programming make me sad? Not even the AI wants to answer this. Okay. So oh yes, common crawler dataset. What is it? What does the dataset look like? Okay, we have robots.txt file, segments, URL, non-200 responses. Non-200 responses, interesting. Jeez. What is it? 9,100. Jeez. Oh, so if I do that, so wait. Oh no. Okay. Good. Oh, okay. As in like, okay. Let me just open it with Notepad. Oh, so these are the paths where you get the thing. data.commoncrawl.org/this. Keep it? I want to know how big it is. Oh, it's just 70. Okay, so it's actually like individual segments. Genuine segments. Cool. Do I want to see... I do sort of want to see what those look like in general. Sure, let's do robots. The robots TXT. Well, that's the paths as well. Ugh. Common crawl. What is a work file? What does that mean? Oh, web art. Okay, so it's a certain file form. Okay. Ooh. That's interesting. So WARC files store the raw crawl data, WAV files store computed metadata, and the web files store the actual extracted plain text from the... Okay. Sure, so I'm feeling a bit... Never mind. I changed my mind. I don't want to say what I was about to say. Okay, so I already had one of the web files. Oh, right. Common crawl. data.commoncrawl.org/this. Keep it. Windows, please let me keep this. Let me keep this. I would like it if you let me keep this. Okay, I wanna... What? What are you doing? Why are you extracting it? Why are you being a fool? Oh, right, because 7-zip has to do that. Okay. Wait, shoot, how big is this thing? Okay, I guess extract. How many bytes is that? So this is kilobytes, this is mega. What the hell? Notepad should not be struggling this much with a 200 megabyte file. God damn it. Where did I just extract that to? Downloads. Okay, great. Oh, and I'm not sharing any of my other screens, so you don't know what's going on. But yes, Notepad is having a bit of a heart attack. Oh, no way. Okay, never mind. Oh, cool. Okay. So... Oh, interesting. So a lot of the... Oh, wow. So a lot of this data set actually isn't even English. Let me... I'll try and put it in SFTP so you guys can see it. So here... So this is what this looks like. And yeah, you have just like a bunch of words. And just various pages. So what I would definitely like to do is have this sort of data set. But like, I just want English. I just want things in ASCII. That's it. Ooh, this is a fun one. What is it? Apache. Okay, got it. Okay, so that's what that's cool. Yeah, it's cool. It's just I would like that as like an English data set. Oh, did I even show it? Nope, I did not. Okay. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's a lot of different languages. When I just want English, that's it. So it's a good data set. It's just I would like just an English only data set. That's it. Oh, cool. We got a license here. Okay. So back to Chrome. Let me see if I can increase that so it's a bit easier. Yep, much easier to read on the stream. Yeah, so you have like a nice thing here. Oh, cool. Yeah. That's a SQL. Oh, so can I just get SQL to do that? That's interesting. Yeah, I have various data sets. Yeah. It is very, very big. There you go. I think there's also, oh yeah, that's right, they call them corpuses, so I can just say like English corpuses. Yeah, and I could use this to sort of look at what are the more common words. I don't know if this would, I don't know how well this will work for me though. I mean, surely it would work better than just constantly breaking up individual letters like Google just did for me. Okay. Oh, cool. Nice. Oh, interesting. So yes, this is probably what I want, yeah. I think another thing I might want to do is like take away the dashes so that that's maybe a bit more convenient. I don't know. We had to like buy it? Okay, so there's more. And you might be interested in iWeb. Why iWeb? Okay. An extremely broad range of websites. Okay, got it. That's why. Because it's probably more appropriate for online chats to have that sort of thing. 25 times as large. Okay. So you purchased the data? Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Sure. A sample might be good enough, actually, if they're rating it like that. Oh wait, no, they were smart. They didn't exactly rate it as like all the. They didn't exactly do them sequentially. They did it in skips of 10. Which you can't see, but trust me, they didn't like. They like did it like number 1, number 11, number 21, etc., so that you can't just You can't just look at that. What is this one? Yeah, similar story. Okay. So that's the demo there. And so I would need to shell out some cash in order to get that. Interesting. Okay. I guess I would get a cheaper price because it's my work is academic. I don't know. Let's see, 14 billion words? That's more than 2 to the power of 32. Okay, yeah, that does actually take a while to compute. Still, I'm surprised no one just kind of did the frequency work. Well, I guess there might be other things, like again, you might want to normalize it somehow, like get rid of the dashes or something. Well, not get rid of the dashes. Nah. Yeah. But yeah, that's interesting. There's iWeb. Wait, so you can do this anyways? Oh, but you need to be a registered user. Oh, but it's free though. Interesting. So I might register for that later. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of getting like an actual good frequency list. Yeah, it's just Google has these like random letter. Are those really that common? How does C and E become most common? That's really weird. Like, who uses C as like an individual letter? I might be kicking this can down the road. What's a bit frustrating is I'm sort of coming up with these things, but they're not significantly better than just, It's not significantly better than just using the Unix dictionary, honestly. Unix dict is the best. That's great. Okay. Unix dictionary is the best. Dictionary is a better hit, yeah. Is there anything else I want to do? I might be at a bit of on pass. Oh, okay. I think I'm sort of understanding it. Maybe? Oh, I was just looking up engrams. And I was thinking that might be more insightful, but I don't think it's that much more insightful. Oh, but maybe that's an idea. I can look up common bigrams, actually. Maybe common trigrams as well. That could be good. Yeah, this could definitely come out to be very interesting. So what is it? N-gram frequency? Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Nah. How many bigrams are there actually? I feel like there are quite a... I mean, obviously there are like n squared bigrams for unigrams, but I'm wondering about the frequency analysis is the thing for the bigrams. I think if I were to even look up like common bigrams, the bot would be a lot better. I'm guessing. Most frequent bigrams? Bigram frequency. Oh, wait. Okay, what? Hold on. N-gram analysis. So that... So that's letters, but bigrams can also mean words? Ugh. Bigram word frequencies? Does that give me a better... 2 gram? What? By word frequencies? Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, so that's how you can do it in Python. Okay. Yeah, so I can do that. And I think it's not really that common to do such a thing. And I'm sure if I did like the bigrams, it would be a lot better. Because if I do this... Like, happy would definitely be a much more common bigram than aha pp. I guarantee you that. Which would also be more common than ah than appy. I don't even know if appy is a word. Etc., etc. So I think definitely the bigrams are actually a really... That would be a really good thing to go more into. Maybe tomorrow. Today is kind of... But yeah, so bigram frequency is definitely very good. That would definitely, yeah, I'm pretty sure that would help just a lot. But yeah, we'll save that for tomorrow. Just today, it's getting kind of late, and I would like to get some sleep for once in my life. So, yeah, so we'll look at bigrams tomorrow, or something like that. Yep. Yeah, I definitely think that will be good. Bigrams tomorrow. Yes. Should be fun. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.